Guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about some brand new fidget spinners that I just got. Like two of them I got like last week, and two of them I just got today. I mean yesterday or today? Was it yesterday?
Today.
Today, yeah, today. I know I'm recording this really late at night. It's probably like 12:15 or something, but anyways, who cares about what time it is? I do actually. Tomorrow I don't have school, so anyways, I don't care about that. Yeah, what I was saying is that I got some brand new fidget spinners and I'm really excited about them. So first, let's introduce two of these. Wait, which one's my brother's? Yeah, this one's my brother's. Yeah. This one's mine. The one that's kind of like the ones that kind of see. Look, it spins really fast, guys. Just look at that. Looks like a triangle, but when you spin it like super slow, it goes like a circle, and when you spin it so fast, it goes like a triangle. That's so weird. Anyways, what I was saying,
spinning it so fast and look in the camera.
Wait, what? Show me how fast you're spinning.
Just joking. I was joking. I just put a light spin.
Oh, that's the reason it was like that. I'm really confused. I'm just putting light spins and I'm like, this is going, yeah, that's like that. Why did you mess up? Now here's my, I'm excited to try these out. I just opened these right now. Wait.
Yeah.
Wait, did I open them?
No.
Oh yeah, let me open these up.
That's not the box.
I'm opening that up. Okay, got them. Ooh, the second one. Okay, got them as well. Here you are. Most of you knows like what these fidget spinners are supposed to do, but there's something magical inside here. Wait, I'm not gonna actually. Hold on, I'm gonna hide this from them. Okay, now let me open the lid up. See, this is basically like a circle in a spinner. Check this out, guys.
What?
Check that out, guys. It's awesome. Wait, what? I can't even. Wait, camera. I gotta show this. Look, LED lights. Okay, guys, let me put this back in. And for all of you that are watching, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't, make sure you do. I'm gonna be
also press the bell.
Yeah, click the bell. That he made a really good point right now. Click that bell, so every time I upload a new video, you guys will get a notification that I uploaded it, and then you guys could come to the channel, and then you could see the video. And see, this fidget spinner, the magic is boom. It's awesome, dude. Boom. 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 They spin like this in the light, but wait till you see them in the dark. 1, 2. Wait, guys. I'm gonna magically be back. Like, guys, we're back, and you can't see us. We're magically disappeared. I can't see anything. Well, I guess we'll leave it to the fidget spinners to save the day. Whoa! Oh, look. Wait, guys, could you see me? With you could see my fidget spinner because of it's glowing. But could you see me? Wait, hold on. If I come close. Oh yeah, now you could, since I came close to the light. Okay. Anyways, move back. Look, you guys can't see us, but you could see the fidgets. Okay, 3, 2, 1. They're magically spinning in the air, except you can see my hand. Okay, look. See, one cool thing is that it actually has mod. This is mod 1, super quick.
Yeah.
This is mod 2, a little slower. This is mod 3, slow-mo. And you know one cool thing is that you saw how it spinned earlier, right? Now look, if I go into mod 2 in this one, and I go into mod 1 in this one, it's basically like a rainbow in this one. Okay, anyways, what I was saying is that one more thing is if you like close one of them, the lights, it looks like a two-sided spinner. Okay, guys, I'll see you right back. Now, if you could see my hands, I'm gonna magically teleport us. We're back, guys. Bye. See how we magically teleported here in about a second or half a second. What was it? Anyways, yeah, if you want to get any of these spinners for yourselves, you could go to the link in the description below and you could get them. Well, it's actually pretty weird what I'm going to write in the description down below because it's going to be pretty weird. You guys do not want to, actually, some of you might actually do that, but it's pretty difficult to do what I told you. Not difficult. You could.
It's for 12
Yeah.
dirhams.
Anyways, guys, 12. Shut up, dude. No need to tell how much it costs. No need to do that. You could get these for free. What?
How?
Actually, not for free. You can bring money, come to my house. Maybe for free even, I'll give you. As a discount.
What?
Shut up. None of them are actually going to come. Oh, I just said what I was going to write in the description. I'm dumb. Okay, anyways. What I was going to write in the description is, guys, if you want these, you could come to my house, actually. You come to my house. I'll put the address down in the link below. And now, none of you will know. I'll put the address down in the link below. Make sure you check the comments, like, subscribe, and wait. 3, 2, 1, dash. What kind of dab was that?
Dash.
Justin Bieber kicked you. Okay. Anyways, guys, peace out.